Hello. Today we've been back down at Bramley-moore dock to try and do an update on the new Everton stadium. Hasn't quite gone to plan. Getting lots of strong wind warnings when we get up. The thing we are going to show you is the east stand part of the stadium. The roof panels now look to be complete and fitted. So we're going to show you that in this next clip. We've just kind of, I don't know what's happening there. So it was just too windy to get up properly. We've just been in, I don't know whether you know, if you watch the live streams, Oscar broke his collarbones. We haven't been able to do me regular updates like I usually do. And I've been working the Golf Open last week in Hoylake, so I haven't been able to post any videos. So we were just getting set, just getting up, ready to go, and then it just wasn't happening today. We are going to get back either tomorrow or Thursday this week and get you a proper update. But as you can see, the east stand now looks like all the barrels, the roof structure is now in place, which is all good. So we will get back as soon as we can. It's just unfortunate that the wind stopped us there. So look out for the future update coming very soon. Take care, and we will see you as soon as we can.